Hey, it's News 6 anchor Eric Von Anken, the handy newsman, and I got a hack for you. My favorite yet, turning your old recessed light in your ceiling into something really cool with zero electrical work. And this is the best part of this project. This is the only tool you're going to need for the job. John and Mary Ellen want to put this, a pendant light, up there to replace their recessed light. And this is the type that they bought. They were really smart, and for that matter, so was the person who invented this. Look at the end of the lamp. There's no wiring here. This is meant to screw in to your existing bulb socket. It is really that simple. Now, to adjust the height of the lamp, we're going to wind this cord around the handle of the base. Good? Looks good. Wow, that is a perfect fit right over the old light trim ring. Now we're going to do the other one. All right, Mary Ellen, John, this is my favorite part. I'm gonna light it up. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Hey. Great. Great. I would have never been able to do it.
So glad we could help. And remember, if there's a project you'd like us to tackle at your house, send me an email at gettingresultsathome@wkmg.com, and next week we might just show up at your door. For now in Palm Bay, Eric Von Anken, Getting Results, News 6.
Makes you want to get some projects done.
Oh, yeah.
So if you'd like to watch that again, we put the full repair on clickorlando.com. Look under Getting Results at Home. He also posted the step-by-step instructions and the materials and links so you can try yourself.
I need to get into that, though. No electrical needed? That's awesome. Well, Eric, like Eric said, we are looking for our next DIY project. So send us an email. Tell us what we can help you with at your home.